Negros Occidental, where emerald gold fields stretch wide, wherein the sugar cane waves and sways from side to night and day and deep in night. The famous city of smiles, brimming with warmth and light. Sale's grand heritage homes carved through history's pages, keeping alive the tales of grand and bygone ages. From mist-capped mountains rolling down to sparkling coastal shore, a land of vibrant culture and a wealth of ancient lore. Hilleganan voices ring both strong, warm and ever kind, hard-working hearts united, purposeful in every mind, tending sugar fields that feed the whole great nation wide. Casting nets and sailing boats across the ocean tide, grilled chicken in nozzles, smoky, juicy and divine, a flavor so inviting it feels like home to every guest in line. Tradition and progress walk together hand in hand, building a bright tomorrow across this cherished land. And many sons and daughters bring honor to the nation. Oh, Negros Occidental, sweet sugar land so bright, where proud heritage and modern glory shine as one great light. Through every waving field and every welcoming shore, your indomitable spirit lives forevermore. From mighty Mount Kanlaon rising grand and reaching high, the tallest peak in Visayas piercing deep into the sky, to Sipalay's stunning coast beneath the crystal blue sky, where hidden coves and powdery sands invite you to draw nigh. Kabankalan's vast green plains, where golden harvests grow, where daily work and honest toil make life and beauty flow. Mascara Festival paints the town with smiles and colors bright, a celebration of the spirit shining through darkest night. Savory Kansi and sweet piaya bring joy to every plate. Napoleons and grapple make each moment truly great. Heritage and hope guide each town, each passing day, through sunny mornings and twilight, soft and golden sway. Oh, Negros Occidental, sweet sugar land so bright, where proud heritage and modern glory shine as one great light. Through every waving field and every welcoming shore, your indomitable spirit lives forevermore. Through raging storms that come and volcanic fires that roar, your brave and cheerful people stand united evermore, with hearts as open as your wide and sun-drenched plains, and strength that rises like your highest mountain chains. Beneath the golden sun and white sugar cane sky, your timeless legacy will never fade nor ever die. Negros Occidental, in our hearts you stay, a shining jewel of the Philippine way.
Bawat Cebu ang kasaysayan ay humahalo sa pagunlad. Sentro ng kalakalan at tahanan ng mayamang sining. Lechon, danggit at puso ng saging ang masasarap na handog. Magellan's Cross, Fort San Pedro, Bantayan ng tanawin, lungsod ng Cebu, Mandaue at Lapu-Lapu ang mga sentro ng ginhawa. Cebuano ang wikang malawak at puno ng kahulugan. Kalakalan, industriya, turismo, pagsasaka at pangingisda ang kabuhayan. Lapu-Lapu, bayaning tumalo sa mananakop at tagapagtanggol ng kalayaan. Sergio Osmeña, Pangulo ng Pilipinas, dito ipinanganak at lumaki. O Cebu, sentro ng kalakalan at tahanan ng sining. Sa bawat sulok ay may kwento ng nakaraan. Sa ganda ng iyong dagat at makasaysayang lugar, ikaw ang hiyas ng Kabisayan. Mula sa matatayog na gusali hanggang sa sinaunang simbahan, ang iyong diwa'y buhay sa bawat henerasyon ng mga anak. Karchar at Argao'y kilala sa masasarap na pagkain at likhang sining. Ang bawat Sukbuano ay kilala sa pagiging masipag at may dangal. O Cebu, sentro ng kalakalan at tahanan ng sining. Sa bawat sulok ay may kwento ng nakaraan. Sa ganda ng iyong dagat at na makasaysayang lugar, ikaw ang hiyas ng Kabisayan. Kahit anong pagbabago ang dumaan sa iyong landasin, ang iyong dangal ay hindi kailanman kukupas. Ang pangalang Cebu ay kilala sa buong Pilipinas bilang lupang nagugunay ng nakaraan sa makabagong panahon. Sa lupang pinagpala ng kasaysayan at pagunlad, ang pangalan mo'y mananatili sa ating alaala. Cebu, laging aalalahanin, lupang mayaman sa ganda at kasaysayan.
Joy, tinatakpan ng lunti ang kagubatan. Mga bukal na malinaw at tubig na tila kristal, pinakaw, tinumok at mga prutas na sariwang yaman. Kabugahay falls sa Lagdong Beach, matandang puno ng balete ang tanawin. Lungsod ng Sigyo pangalan mo'y mananatili sa ating alaala. Sikihor